Welcome to Goa 365 English News Bulletin. I am Anjali and these are the headlines. We are farmers. We want to cultivate our fields, solve our issues. Sangye sugarcane farmers demand on second day of their strike even as they refuse to back down. Goa could get light rain on the 6th and 7th of January after 3 more days of dry weather, IMD says. Headland Siddharth Faria strikers piped Seashore 6 to win the tiebreaker football tournament held at Vasco by Blast Boys of Arule and Belabai. And now for the news in detail. We have not gone on protest to indulge in politics. We are farmers and we want to cultivate our fields, solve our issues and give us justice. Sangye farmers have demanded from the government. They have also threatened the government that it would face further heat if their demands are not met.
Sugarcane farmers' protest has entered the second day. They have threatened to continue the agitation until the demands are met.
बेगीन येवन आमगे उतर दी आनी ह्या लोकांक आमकां म्हणजे हो प्रश्न आहा हे डिमांड जे आसा ते आमगे सॉल्व कर आनी आमी तुका सदां तुजी साथ आसतले हें आमगे आसा पूण जर लोक चड टायमार लोक तर चिडकले जाल्यार मागीर कितें जायत म्हाजी काय खोट उरपा ना पूण ही पाळ हाडपा जायना अशें म्हणून मुख्यमंत्री हेका सांगपाक सोदता तर आमगे बाबू कवळेकर म्हाका सांगलें की आमी मंगळारा वचून मंगळारा वचून आमी तेजे फुडें एक आपूण एपॉयंटमेंट घेता मिटींग करुया आतां नवीन कमिटी जाली ती आमी तेजी मिटींग करुया अशें म्हणून म्हाका सांगलें हांवें सर म्हळें म्हाका देवळी फाटल्याच्यान सगळें करपाची म्हाका हें संवय ना म्हाका सगळ्यांची उजीर जावपा जाय म्हाका सगळ्यांची उजीर जाय सर तुमी थंय मिटींग येता एक 5 मिनटां काड आनी तुमीच सांगया आनी लोकांक उजीर करा म्हाका थंय डिसिजन गेलो तुवें एक सांगलें तेणी एक लोकांनी जर सगळ्यांनी जर हय म्हणलें जाल्यार तेजेर हांव एग्री आसा अशें म्हणून हांवें ताका उतर दिलां 70च्यान येवन गेले काणकोणच्यान येवन गेले तशे लोक येता आयज म्हळ्यार येयल्या अशें काले भागांत हे बाबा आमगे क्वेश्चन घालता हो सगळो उसाचो धंदो तोवूय लोक येता प्लस आमगे धरणगस म्हणून येता तरी आसा ऊस नासलेले हितचिंतक येता आनी ते येवपाक तयार आसा आनी ते येतलेय बी एक आमी जर तांकां सांगलें बाबा तुमी सगळे या म्हळ्यार पूण तितलें आमी करपा ना पूण शेतकरीच म्हूण आमी रावले कडेन इतर आमी लोकांक तरी कोण केला पूण ते कोण येवन आमकां सपोर्ट करता
करूं ना ते संघटने तितूंतल्यान भायर काडा कित्याक आमगे विचार करना ते भितर कित्याक लागून 3,000 2000 बांद केल्यात ती आमकां संघटना नाका रे आमकां तांकां भायर काडा ते संघटनेक गरजूच ना
डिस्क्वॉलिफाय संघटना
तितूंतल्यान काडा सगळे शेतकरी जर सांगता
ना जाल्यार आमकां लोकांक सांगताले ते बाबा
आज एकलोय संघटनेक मुदी हांगा हजर ना जी जेन्ना संघटना जेन्ना लोकां आपयताली प्रत्येक लोक थंय हजर जाताले आज शेतकऱ्यांनी प्रश्न शेतकऱ्यांनी उचलून धरलो आसा पूण संघटनेचो एकलोय पदाधिकारी हांगा हजर ना आणि तो संघटनेचो अधिकारी जसो सरकारान वागता हांव म्हणटा कितें जो मनीस सरकारान भितर आसा म्हळ्यार सरकारान तेणे आतां भितर इन्वॉल्व जाला म्हणटा तेणे संघटनेक जबाबदारी सोडली काय कितें असो एक प्रश्न जाता त्या खातीर हांव सरा कडेन विनंती करता की ती संघटना जी आसा ती त्या कमिटींतल्यान भायर काडपाची सगळ्यांक मान्य मरे गरज आसा तेंची भितर
Agriculture Minister Chandrakant Babu Kavlekar met the farmers. However, this time they got is only an assurance. Babu called them to his Panaji residence to discuss the issue.
आयज हांव हांगा येयला तो मुद्दम हेजे खातीर की तुमकां हे जे तुम्ही बसले आसात तो चर्चा हेजेर करपा खातीर हांव डिस्कस करपा खातीर आनी जो पर्यंत आमी मेळोन उलयनात तो पर्यंत सोल्युशन येयनात सोल्युशन मेळोन उलोवपाक आयज पर्यंत हेजे तुमी काय म्हणटा की हेजे फुडें कितें करतले आज पर्यंत जे डिसिजन घेतले आसात ते सरकारान शेतकऱ्यां विशयी तांकां फेवरेबलच घेतले आसात म्हणून तुमकां हांवें मंगळार म्हळ्यार डिस्कस करुया हांवें ताजे बसून जाय जाल्यार तुम्ही मंगळार जर न्यू दिसता जाल्यार सेवा कडेन हांव एडजस्ट मंडे पर्यंत कर म्हणटा
तुम्ही आमकां सांगता आसले आयज आमी तुमी कोणाले आयको येयला आनी कोणाले आमकां लेखी आश्वासन दिया आनी तुमी चला आयज जाल्यार मंगळार केन्ना आमचे तुम्ही रावपाचे आमी रावतले तुमगेली ती करता नाका हेणी कोण केला तेणी कितें केला त्यो आमकां नाका आमकां प्रत्यक्ष आमकां लेखी दी आमी फायनल ह्याच डिसिजन आमी सर म्हाका तुमगेले कोणाले आयले पयलीं आयकपा ना आमकां लेखी दी पर्यंत आमी आमचे वचना ह्यो आमी डिमांड सरा कडेन दवरल्या सर मान्य जाला सरा 2 दीस आया 3 दीस आया सर सांगता मंगळार येता तितून आमी तितून हांगा रावता सरा कडेन हांव माफी मागता आनी हांव चूक मागता सरान म्हाका ते 2 दिसां भितर मंगळार पर्यंत म्हाका तूं घेवन वचो हांव हांगा रावता तुका कांयच म्हागे ब्लेम ना तुजी सपोर्ट आसा सरकारा विरोधात काम करना कोणा हेचे ते तोमणी माना कोणा राजकारण्याक सपोर्ट नाका आनी कोणा नाका आमी शेतकरी म्हण समाज लढपा आमी शेतकरी म्हण समाज आसा तुजे फुडें लढपा आमी कोणाला राजकारणी नाका कोणाला पयशेकारा सपोर्ट नाका आयज आमी एक रुपी काडून हे पळय थंय आमी चिंतोवन घातली कडेन आसा आनी तेजेर आमी जगतले 2 दीस आमी भुकेताले 2 दीस तांदयताले 2 दीस आमी न्हीद
निदेश सुचतले म्हणून आमी वचपाना सरान म्हाका सांगपा जाय की केन्ना तूं लेखी घेवन येता तो पर्यंत सांगूंक लागता तुमगेले आयले पयले आमी कोणाले आयकना हांवें डिमांड जे दवरले आमी सगळे हेणी शेतकऱ्यान दवरल्या ते डिमांड तूं आमकां लेखी घेवन यो.
However, farmers flatly refused to do this.
We will take a short break. Stay with us. Welcome back. 65 persons tested positive for COVID-19 in Goa from 1,322 tests. The total active cases are 901. India also reported a single-day jump of more than 18,000 coronavirus cases, taking the total tally to 1.03 crore. The active cases have further fallen below 2.50 lakhs. ICMR has tested 9.58 lakh samples in last 24 hours. The total number of samples tested so far stands at 17.48 crore.
A single day jump of 18,177 COVID-19 cases were reported in India. In the last 24 hours, 217 deaths were reported and 20,923 patients have recovered. India has reported 1 crore 3 lakhs 23,965 COVID-19 positive cases till date. 1,49,435 deaths are reported and 99,27,310 patients have recovered. Active cases stands at 2.47 lakh. Here are the 5 worst state coronavirus states. Maharashtra is leading with 19.38 lakh mark of COVID-19 cases, followed by Karnataka 9.21 lakh, Andhra Pradesh 8.82 lakh, Tamil Nadu 8.19 lakh and Kerala 7.71 lakh. More than 5 lakh cases were reported worldwide in single day. The global cases have reached 8.50 crore, 18.45 lakh deaths are reported and 6 crore have recovered. Here are the 5 worst hit coronavirus nations. United States is leading with more than 1.98 crore cases, followed by second worst hit nation India 1.3 crore cases, Brazil 76.75 lakh cases, Russia 32.12 lakh cases and France with 25.95 lakh cases. Bureau Report, Goa 365.
Here's everything you need to know about the vaccination drive and how to register yourself as a beneficiary for the COVID-19 vaccination. Union Ministry of Health, Family and Welfare said that the COVID-19 vaccination will start from the priority group soon.
Preparation for administering doses at vaccine centers, logistic requirement and other arrangements are also at full swing after country's top drug regulator DCGI has approved Oxford's COVID-19 vaccine Covishield and Bharat Biotech's Covaxin for restricted emergency use. How to register? Common service centers need to be utilized for self-registration and identity certification. Self-registration module will be made available in the later phases. Biometric with these demographic details will outfill. OTP will be sent to the registered mobile number with an Aadhaar card. Person can enter all demographic details manually. Once registered, date and time will be allocated for vaccination. There will be no spot registration facility. Only pre-registered beneficiaries will be allowed to proceed with vaccination. Photo identity. Aadhaar card, driving license, health insurance smart card issued under the scheme of Ministry of Labour, Manrega job card, official identity cards issued to MPs, MLAs, MLCs, PAN card, passbook issued by bank, post office, passport, pension document, service identity card issued to employees by central, state government, PSUs, public limited companies, smart card issued by RJ under NPR, voter ID. Who will get vaccine first? Healthcare workers, frontline workers, people aged above 50 years, areas recording high COVID-19 infection rate, remaining population, population below 50 years of age with associated comorbidities. All COVID-19 vaccination sessions to be conducted from 9 am to 5 pm. Goa 365 Bureau.
We will take a short break. Stay with us. Welcome back, and now for some sports news. Paria Strikers from Headland Sada was crowned as champion in the tie-breaker football tournament held at Vasco on Saturday. Seashore's 6 team secured the second place in the tournament organized by Blast Boys of Arulem and Belabai.
So as आमचो टुर्नामेंट फर्स्ट ऑल गोवा टाय ब्रेकर टू साइड ऑर्गनायज बाय बास्ट बॉयज ऑफ ओरुले एंड बेलाबाय. हो टुर्नामेंट घडोवन हाडपाक आमकां आमचे यंग भुरग्यांनी तशेंच व्हडले सिनियर्सान आमकां आदार दिल्लो आहा आनी ह्या फर्स्ट टुर्नामेंटाक आमकां बरोच रिस्पॉन्स मेळिल्लो आहा. खुबश्यो टिमी येयल्यो, भायसून मडगांवसून बीन टिमी येयल्ल्यो आनी हेजो फर्स्ट प्रायज जावन आसा 20,000 आनी रनर्स अप आसलेले 10,000. विनर्स अप जावन आसा हेजे फारिया स्ट्रायकर्स फ्रॉम सडा आनी रनर्स अप सिशोर बॉयज फ्रॉम बायंडा.
Sham Chari for Goa 365 from Vasco.
Now for the weather, Goa could get light rain on the 6th and 7th of January, but the weather will remain dry for the next 3 days. Sky also will remain clear, maximum temperature is likely to be around 34 to 35 and minimum temperature likely to be around 23 to 24 degrees Celsius.
Dry weather prevailed over the state. There was no large change in minimum temperature over North Goa. The lowest minimum temperature of 21.8 degrees Celsius was recorded at Panaji. Light rain on 6th and 7th Jan. Weather to remain dry. Sky to remain clear. Maximum temperature to be 34 to 35 degrees Celsius. Minimum temperature to be 23 to 24 degrees Celsius. Samip Narvekar for Goa 365.
With that, we have come to the end of this news bulletin. For more news and updates, log into our website www.goa365.tv. Follow us on Facebook, Goa365 TV, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Goa365 TV, or download our app on both Android and iPhones to watch it on your mobile. Keep watching.